Hey, we got this 2014 Kia Sorento, and we're going to show you how to replace the inside tail lens assemblies. So the first thing that you're going to need to do is go and watch the wiper removal video that we have in order to see how to take these panels off. There's a total of 4 of them, one that runs up here, 2 on the sides that are bendy, and then this big black one. Once you get that off, then that's going to give you access to these screws. So there's one that's located here and 2 that are on the outside. So let's grab our 10mm socket on an impact gun. Take these outside ones up. And then we just got to take this other one out. Okay, now we just need to unplug the electrical. So there's one plug right here. Now we can lower the tailgate down, and we should be able to remove this. Okay, just like that. You can see the studs there, they snapped off because they were all rusty, so that makes this light junk, unfortunately. But that's how you do it. And then to put everything back together, just basically stick that in there. You can do 2 outside nuts, the inside nut, and then reinstall all the panels. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this video helped you. Like it, and don't forget to subscribe.